Friends, hi friends, this is your Srinivas. Today I am going to discuss such a beautiful topics. I am discuss with you. Let us see. First one is circumcircle. Yes. Now circumcenter. What is circumcircle? What is circumcenter? Most of the students are maybe confused to see these some definitions, but you don't confuse it. Let us see. Circumcircle, we know very well every triangle has three vertices. Yeah, such a every triangle has a three vertices. One circle which passes through the vertices of a triangle, then the circle is called, then the circle is known as circumcircle. Let us see here. Yes, in a triangle ABC, A and B and C are called vertices of a triangle. As you know very well, vertices, the parts of a triangle, 6 parts are there, 3 vertices besides. Now, the circle which passes through the vertices of a triangle, such triangle is called circumcircle. Circumcircle. As per basic knowledge of that, here BC and AC and AB are denoted by small case letter in English. Yes, capital A opposite side is BC. It is denoted by small a. Yes, capital B opposite side is AC. It is denoted by small b. Capital C opposite side is AB. It is denoted by small c. Now let you know very well. AB also known as C. BC also known as small case letter. CA also known as small b letters. Circumcenter. What is the meaning of circumcenter? Yes, the perpendicular bisectors of a sides of a triangle. The perpendicular bisector of sides of a triangle, they are meet at one point. Yeah, the point of concurrence of these three perpendicular bisector of sides of a triangle is called circumcenter. Is called circumcenter. Called circumcenter. Yes, it is denoted by C. Yes, it is also circumcenter. It is also circumcenter. Yes, very important note points I am going to tell you. Note 1. Yes, every circumcenter depends on triangle. It should be located. Yes, circumcenter located inside the circle. Circumcenter is located outside the circle. Circumcenter located boundary on the triangle. Yes. The circumcenter located, dear viewers, in a triangle, acute angle, the circumcenter located inside only. In obtuse angle, the circumcenter is located outside of the triangle. In a right angle triangle, the circumcenter is located midpoint of the hypotenuse. Yeah, in acute angle inside only, right angle at the center midpoint of the hypotenuse only, and obtuse angle triangle, the circumcenter should be located at the outside of the triangle. These are the very important points. In acute angle, it should be located inside the triangle here. Right? Now, in second note, in right angle triangle, it is located midpoint of hypotenuse. Yes, in a right angle triangle, note point, already I told you in my previous classes. In right angle triangle, biggest side is called hypotenuse. Yes, the circumcenter located in midpoint of hypotenuse of a triangle. In a right angle triangle, circumcenter is located on midpoint of hypotenuse. Very important point. Now third note is that the circumcenter is located outside of the triangle. Which type of triangle? Yes, that is called obtuse. In acute angle, it is located inside, right? In acute angle, it is located inside. In right angle triangle, it is located midpoint of hypotenuse. In obtuse angle, it is located outside of the triangle. Yes, outside of the triangle. You have to observe. Yes, here C to D, C to E, C to F. These are all equal. The distance is equal for all. Okay, now circumradius. very important formula for I am going to tell. Circumradius. Circumradius divided by capital R. Yes. Circumradius I am going to tell you. Yes. Okay. To know that circumradius, what is studies now we are going to know that circumradius of this. You know very well, a circle which passes through the vertices of a triangle. This circle is equidistant from the center. CD distance equals to CA, C distance equals to CF. CD equals to CE equals to CF. Yeah. Now perimeter of a triangle A plus B plus C. Sometimes we have to write semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter of a triangle, very important. It is useful in Hero's formula. Hero's formula to find the area of triangle. By using Hero's formula, in that we are using semi-perimeter. Yes, it is divided by S. It is divided by S. The value is A plus B plus C by 2. Semi-perimeter of a triangle. By using these sides A, B, C, the formula is A plus B plus C by 2, which can be useful in Hero's formula. Yes, right. Now circumradius formula is nothing but, yes, sides what are they? A, B, C. Product of sides by 4 into area of triangle. We are going to discuss incircle and incenter. What is incircle? Yeah, incircle, simple. A circle which is what is incircle? A circle which is touches the sides of a triangle. A circle which is touches the sides of a triangle is called incircle. Yes, let us observe here. The circle touch the AB side, the circle touch the BC side, the circle touch the AC side. Now it is called, this circle is called incircle. This circle is called incircle. You should observe, the sides are denoted by AC denoted by B, AB denoted by C, BC denoted by A. Now I am going to write here semi-perimeter. Yes, I told you many times, semi-perimeter nothing but sum of 3 sides divided by 2. It can be useful to find the area of triangle by using Heron's formula. The Heron's formula you know very well, S of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. In this formula we should apply this value. Yes, incircle is completed. Now here incenter. Yes, angular bisector of a triangle are meet at one point. That point. So the point of intersection of angular bisector of a side, angular bisecting lines of a triangle is called incenter. Why? This incenter is divided by I. Okay. Now you have to observe, this is put as B, this is put as E, this is put as F. Now this I to distance, I to ID is equals to, I to IE is equals to the length of distance. Now I to IF also equal. Yes, I to ID, I to IE, I to IF. These all the lengths are equal from the incenter. Now we know incenter, invariance also we have to find. In previous video we found about circumradius. Now radius. Yes, radius is nothing but area of triangle by semi-perimeter of a triangle. Semi-perimeter of a triangle. Now let us recap once. What is circumcircle? Yes, a circle which passes through the vertices of a triangle, then it is called circumcircle. Yes, the perpendicular bisector of 3 sides of a triangle are meet at one point. The point is called circumcenter. It is denoted by C or S. Now circumradius formula, area of triangle, area ABC by 4 into area of triangle, ABC by 4 into area of triangle. This is circumradius. Now incircle. What is incircle? A circle which touches the sides of a triangle. A circle which touches the sides of a triangle is called incircle. Here this circle is denoted, this triangle is denoted by ABC. Here perimeter or semi-perimeter of this triangle is A plus B plus C by 2. Next, what is in center? Yes, three angular bisectors are having each this triangle. The point of concurrence of three angle bisectors of a triangle meet at one point. The point is called in center. It is given by I. The length of these three are equal. Now in radius is areas of triangle by semi perimeter of a triangle.